The Ohio National Guard says its mission to help with a cyber attack at Cleveland Municipal and Housing Court is over. The state cyber response force says it helped investigate the attack and conducted containment and eradication operations. However, the court remains largely closed. News 5 investigator Sarah Buttison has been digging into how this attack happened, and she joins us now from the newsroom. Sarah, the big question tonight, do we know when the courts will be back up and running?
Damon, we still don't have an answer to that question tonight. No one at the court today could tell us when services will be fully restored. In fact, there are still more questions than answers tonight about the cyber attack that has shut down Cleveland Municipal Court and Housing Court for over a week.
I had a question because I was supposed to go to court.
When Willie Phelps showed up at Cleveland Housing Court today,
at this present moment, our system is still shut down.
he found it shut down.
What happened? What happened? You know, I took off work and, kind of shut some things down to come here.
He had hoped today would be the end of a long battle with his landlord, but instead it turned out to be the beginning of another headache. The state's cyber response force says Cleveland Municipal and Housing Courts were the victims of a cyber attack.
Are we going to get our identities stolen? Is there going to, what is the impact of this?
Here's what we know. The courts shut down a week ago Monday after learning about the cyber attack and have only opened to process criminal complaints and arraign people sitting in jail. But court officials won't say who attacked them, what information was stolen, whether the hackers asked for a ransom, or if the hack was connected to the cyber attack that shut down Cleveland City Hall for more than a week last summer.
You think about protecting all your information, and the last people you think to lose your information or not be able to protect it is your own government.
Willie now has to reschedule his court date, take another day off of work, and hope hackers don't have his personal information.
Just don't want to be impacted with anything more troubling. I got enough going on in my life. I don't need anything extra.
Don't we all feel that way sometimes? We've repeatedly asked for an on-camera interview with the court's administrative and presiding judge, Michelle Early, but so far she's declined our request. She did send out this statement just before news time today that says that the court is continuing its investigation into the cybersecurity incident, but for now, we still don't have the answers to the questions that we just showed you on the screen in my story. Just so you know, Municipal Court will once again be open tomorrow only to arraign defendants who have been in the jail. Live in the newsroom, I'm News 5 investigator Sarah Buttison.